Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. There are renewed calls this evening for the government to ease the burden on Jamaicans where the cost of electricity is concerned. Opposition spokesman on energy Philip Paulwell is rekindling the issue as the Jamaica Public Service Company announced that Jamaicans should expect higher electricity bills.
Jamaica must be the only country in the world where oil prices haven't been reduced, but we are seeing the price of energy going up. And I really believe that the government has now to step in to prevent these additional hardship. And they can do so by a number of ways. Firstly, there is still a charge in the SCT for hedging. It's a significant amount of money. The government has not done any hedging since 2016. That money should be returned to the consumers. Secondly, during this period, we are calling for the removal of GCT on electricity. The price went below zero. Did they do any forward purchases to protect the Jamaican consumers? I think it would be a gross dereliction of duty if they did not do so.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.97. The Canadian dollar is costing $107.95. The pound sterling is going for $180.60, while the euro sells for $162.75. The government is offering two separate notes to finance its budgetary requirements. One of the notes will mature in 2023, while the other becomes due in 2037. Now, the aim is to raise $5 billion. The interest rate on the 2023 notes will be fixed at 5.50% per annum, while the 2037 notes will be fixed at 10% annually. 138 Student Living released financials showing profits amounting to $270 million for the next 6 months, which ended on March 31. The company, which provides rooms for university students, says the performance was down to better management of utility costs, higher occupancy levels, and variation in the claims relating to Irving Hall on the UWI campus. Stocks ended mostly higher today, but losses in heavyweight equities caused by a 3,680 points dip in the JC index, while the junior market index declined by 42. The top gainer of the day was 138 Student Living, this stock going up after its positive earnings report. The other top performers were Portland JSX, Epley Limited, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Lasco Distributors, Key Insurance, Everything Fresh, Phosrich, and the Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution Share. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.